Hello my crypto friends, this is DEFI again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Those of you who are new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and as well comment and like on my videos. So today's video, you guys, I just want to let you know of how I lost almost 5,000 tokens, DSP tokens, just by ending or by cancelling an open stake. So you guys, this was so absurd, but anyway, it was a lesson learned. It was a lesson learned because when I went to read here, what if I end my stake early? They say you will get a penalty equal to the profit of half the days you committed to. So I wasn't understanding this very well, because how can they predict the profit of the days that have not yet even gone to? So I heard from some YouTuber, he said that you only be charged 20% of the profits you've accumulated. I said, let me give it a try. And what I did a very silly thing. I picked my largest stake. It is this one. I picked it. It was even ending on day 11. I picked it and I ended it. And I almost lost. I've done the calculations here. I found out that I lost this. So this is what I've done. Let us do it together here, and you see. So I got this. These were my shares. And then I added on this, the bonus day rewards and the stake interest. And then I subtracted what was given to me. This is what was given to me. Let us do it together and see. It is 9,878. So I add on 439.926. I get that. So I subtracted what was given to me, because this is what was paid to my DSP balance. So I subtract 5,318.8. I got that, as you can see, guys. So majorly these are the tokens that were taken away from me. This is a huge chunk, and I felt very sad, but that's how things go. I learned my lesson. And so you guys, never tamper with the cancel button. We are here to make profits, right? So you cancel the stake, you'll lose the most valuable thing in this platform, which is the DSP token. So these dividends were paid to me in all 950,000. It was paid to me. This whole total was paid to me. I can't argue about that. Can show in my wallet here. I transferred it already, so you see it here. It was paid. But these guys, they take what is most valuable to you, which is the DSP token. So that's how I lost it, guys. But I took up my stakes, because when this 5k went into the balance here, I put it up for staking here. So it is in waiting, and we shall get more profits. That's how the world goes. Yeah, so guys, join this platform for those of you who are not here. And in case you are going into the auction launch, never go here without using someone else's link, because you'll lose the 5% discount. So you should always use someone's link. And why don't you use my link? I also want that 10%. Use my link. I get the 10%. You get the 5%. You have nothing to lose if you use my link. All we get is gain. You gain, I gain. So that's how the world goes. So sorry about that. I didn't mean to go. This is my link. I'm leaving it in the description of the video. Feel free to use it and we all win. So see you guys in the next video. That's all I had for today. This let me see. This is the number 12, I guess. This is the number 11. So this thing is just incredible. And yesterday we had some DOS attacks, but the auction lobby managed to generate at 14.37 million. So this shows how guys are really impressed with the platform, and they are very free with where they are putting their money. The site was almost off almost the whole day yesterday, but when it came up, people pumped in money like crazy. So we had our peak on day number 7. It was 17 million. It reduced to 15 million.2. It went up again 15.8. Yesterday's problems caused this, but I'm sure today it has to go above this. That one I'm sure about that. So, and these guys, they also have a Telegram channel. You join the Telegram channel and feel free to interact with these guys here. Actually, you'll find very many messages here, but some messages are good. This is the Telegram channel. I'm also leaving the link in the description. You can check it out. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Reminder, never attempt to end a stake because you're going to lose. I lost my valuable asset, which is the DSP token, and I learned my lesson. Never tamper with these buttons here. So if you feel that you don't want to stake for some long time, stake for 5 days. Still, if you stake for 5 days, you'll get a bonus day reward. So you can stake for short periods of time. You take your dividends out and you stake the tokens again. So that's it, guys. See you in another video.